Didn't expect operating a chopper to be so easy. 4-blade Schwarzer 300C detailed flight tutorial. Step 1. Push throttle stick up. Then press remote power switch. Power up helicopter. Plug connectors, red to red, black to black. Place heli on flat ground. Wait for self-test. Wait for self-test. Self-test wait for GPS signal. Green light stays on when GPS connected. Solid green means ready for takeoff. Brief intro to remote controls. This bottom switch is RTH, top cancels RTH. Second switch, top is fusion mode. Middle is manual mode. Bottom is sport mode. Top switch here is beginner GPS mode. Heli hovers very stably, very easy to fly. Bottom is attitude mode, no GPS positioning. Will drift, requires manual control. This switch, down to start, up to stop engine. Must find an open area, free of obstacles. Keep perimeter clear of debris. When green light stays solid. Once light turns solid green, you can take off. Pull sticks outward to unlock 3. It twitched. Starting up. Rotors spinning. Feels ritualistic. Don't launch yet. Push left stick up to take off. Go. Nice. Pull left stick down to descend. Push left stick up to ascend. Release stick to hover. Left stick right. Yaws right. Left stick left, yaws left. Push right stick forward to fly ahead. Release stick, auto brakes. Pull right stick back to fly back. Good. Right stick right to roll right. Right stick left to roll left. Very stable, super simple. Flying up. So cool. Looks awesome. Sounds great, too. Turning left. Hands off the sticks now. Heli hovers. To activate RTH, flip this switch down. Returning home. Heli climbs to 15 meters. Returning. Flip up to cancel RTH. Okay. This is awesome. To land, find flat ground. Aim for flat spot. Good. Kill engine. Engine off. Don't walk away yet. Not finished yet. After landing, unplug battery in this remote. Let me show you. Open battery hatch, pull plug 2. This small one, unplug it. This cover, pull battery compartment plate up slightly. It comes off. Battery slides out now. Put inside like this. Flying this helicopter is that easy. Got it, everyone.